ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new challenge every week. I'm Phillip.
I'm Wesley Ryan.
I'm Lynsey Goodnow, and we are your tries for the week.
We have not been told what we will be doing today, but we have been given a hint. The information we were told about this challenge is that you can get in and out of a twist.
What do you guys think it is?
Okay, full disclosure, first thing I thought was like contortionist, like escape artist stuff like Houdini, which in hindsight, probably not the brightest thought of mine, but
I mean, that's a fair way to like kind of go about it.
I mean, yeah, it's like you're getting in and out of a twist, you know?
Yeah.
I thought it was about the movie Twister, the horror one. That's like, oh my god, it's a little tacky horror movie about a twister.
Like a hurricane? Not a hurricane.
A hurricane, yeah.
Tornado twister thingy?
Yeah, like a tornado, and that's.
I've not heard of it.
Yes, and it's really bad. And I thought we were going to reenact the scene. Like the main
That would be
scene
so
from
much
it.
fun.
For some reason, I was thinking maybe something with pretzels since they're always like twisting and knots and stuff. Well, who wants to open reading this?
May I?
Sure.
All right. Our task. It's time to play Twister. Everyone will get the chance to spin while the others try and follow the directions.
That's a good time. Oh boy. All right. That's going to be an interesting one, but we will be right back. We just have to set up.
All right.
And we are back. So as we said, we will be playing Twister. So Wes will be our spinner for now, and we will be the players for the first round. So for anybody who doesn't know how to play Twister, it's pretty simple. Wes will spin on the wheel, and wherever it lands, without it falling. So let's see. You spin on that a little fast. So right foot green. So the way we do it is literally just put our right foot on the green dot, and then he spins again.
And so it begins. Right foot red. And
I didn't properly stretch before this.
Oh my god.
left hand blue.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm gonna spin a little less violently.
That might help.
Left foot blue.
I'm like a frog right
Yeah.
now.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Okay.
you gotta keep that.
Nice.
Technical
Breaking
my
difficulties.
My bad. That doesn't count.
Nah, you're good.
Right hand green.
Oh my. Okay.
This is amusing to watch. I'm not gonna lie. Right foot red. Right hand green.
Already there.
Nice.
Free space.
Oh,
Oh, left foot yellow.
Almost.
What's our ruling? Do we need to like maintain like the position on everything?
I would say that.
If I do, this game will be over very quickly.
Okay. Left foot blue.
Jesus.
You're doing good.
It's just like it keeps going.
Take it back now, y'all.
Yeah. All right. And right hand red. That's kind of on both. Okay, let's say right foot green. I thought that would be more interesting. That looks like you are in quite a twist. Left hand yellow. And right foot yellow.
Do I not know my left from my right? I don't know my left from my right.
That might help you.
Left foot red.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, out. All right.
Good game. All right. Does the winner or does the person who lost become the next spinner?
I don't know.
Is that the rule?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We never discussed.
We didn't
Do you want
discuss.
to
No.
spin?
Sounds great.
All
My
right.
leg almost gave
You
in.
know us. I'm gonna die.
All right, let's do this.
Ugh.
Okay.
What are those? Oh, those are D&D. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Good mix and match though.
Ready?
Are we all set?
Yeah. Let's do this.
Ooh, left foot blue. Left foot red.
Two stumps this time.
Right foot blue, sure. Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna do
can
this.
be the spinner now, I guess.
Hi.
Hi.
This is very confrontational.
Right foot yellow. Man, this is lame.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Let's
can
get some
roll
hands
it.
and go.
I'm trying, yo. Right hand blue.
Hi.
Hi.
Compromising positions. Left hand. I'm gonna make that yellow.
Bruh. You can just move forward on your next opportunity.
Left hand yellow.
It's already
which is
there.
Cool.
There. I don't know my left or my right, so this is good.
There.
Right foot green. I am
Feels
extremely
like a Spider-Man
nervous.
position.
Probably is.
God, I wish I had a PS5 for that game.
I
New
can't
one.
wait for that game.
Right foot blue.
Okay.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. They're on the same now. You've cornered me.
You're welcome.
What's for fun to be spinner? Left foot green.
Oh boy.
We all good?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
good.
go with that.
I'm fine.
Nothing at all. Left foot yellow. Right hand yellow. Just going in a circle.
That's true.
Around the world. Daft Punk around the world. Right hand green.
Oh, green?
Green.
All right.
I am so bad at spinning this.
Wait till I spin. I'm not
It's
very good at it.
humbling. Ooh, we're gonna make that left foot blue.
Blue.
I don't like how
I'm a
quickly.
crab.
Carcinogation.
Crustacean?
Right foot green. This looks some bad break dancing. Like a step by step how to break dance.
Oh yeah. It might be.
That's really what this is.
left-hand blue.
Left hand blue, yeah. Patches is basically
Oh,
right
that
everything
looks
for
like
me.
a fun position.
Oh, not the best.
Left hand blue. Which is where
Pretty
you already
done.
are.
Here's where we are.
Let's go.
Ooh, we're gonna make that right foot red.
Okay. I'll give you some room.
How kind.
A kind of you did not treat me to.
Right hand red. I don't like how quick. Right foot green. Right hand red.
Done.
I don't know, I can't see half your guys' body, so I
Yeah.
have to guess. Right foot green.
Done.
That's where you are. See, now we're reaching a point where I can't even choose any circles. Left hand yellow. Here.
This is a little comfy.
I'm spinning it
Good luck.
faster. Left hand red. Wow. Left hand blue.
This was a bad choice. I could have done something easier.
There's no fun in that. Right hand blue.
Exactly.
Like your god. Right foot blue.
Oh, good lord.
It's fun when it lands on like two in between colors, because then I get to choose.
We're all blue. I am blue.
Everything I do is calculated and intentional.
Sure.
Right hand green.
There we go.
Left foot green. Now we're moving up to greens.
No.
Right foot blue.
Done.
Oh, okay. I still don't know my left and my right, so.
Fair enough.
Right hand red. I gotta sound it out. Sound out literally. Left foot yellow.
I feel like this is gonna take a while to end.
Yeah.
I think it's because you guys are like overly competitive and a little too flexible. Left foot yellow.
We're there.
Oh yeah.
So one of yous
I forgot the
forgets.
placement. I forgot the placement of where the green and the yellow were.
Oh,
Nice.
that's right in the middle. So we're gonna do left hand red, which is where, yeah. Hooah. See, it's not fun when you're in the same position.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta
Left foot
change things
green.
up.
Left foot green.
I'm imposing on you now. No more kindness.
Left foot red. Okay. Right hand blue.
It would be a shame if I reached over there and pushed you down.
No. Is that allowed? That'd be cheating. Left hand blue. Left hand blue, which is
You know,
what
I'm
it
gonna
already
move my
is.
left hand.
That's fair.
Can we allow that? Right foot blue.
Done.
It's there.
Oh, okay.
I mixed up my left and my right there for a second.
Whichever comes first. Either somebody falls first or they don't know their left from their right foot. Right foot, green.
I do not like this position to me.
Left foot blue. Right foot yellow. Right? Is that what that says? Yeah.
Right foot yellow.
Yes. Sorry, I had to question myself. Good. Left foot green.
Well, fuck.
Yeah!
I lost balance.
It happens.
That was a really long game.
That was a lot longer than I thought it
Yeah.
would be.
And with a lot more of your butt in my face than I was expecting.
Yeah, same. All right.
Nice.
Time for the last round, I guess.
That was fun though.
That was fun. All right, my turn to be the spinner.
We'll see if my leg gives out again.
Yeah. All right. Is left foot red. Left hand blue.
I'm making this interesting.
God, I'm old.
Right foot yellow. Left hand red. Left hand red again. Right foot yellow.
Already done.
Jeez.
This board loves the repeats.
Left foot yellow.
Which one's the left? Oh,
Left.
The one that's not already there.
that doesn't count.
Sure.
I like how we haven't gotten a single right hand yet.
Nope.
I know. Left hand green.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Left hand blue. Left hand. Why is it constantly left hand? I'm just gonna skip it if it lands there.
Oh, so no left hand yellow?
Keep it there.
Okay.
Right foot yellow if it's not already there.
It is.
Why is it not going left hand?
We only
The
have
right hand isn't
left.
real.
Okay, right hand foot blue. Yeah, the right hand does not exist to this game.
Nope.
It's not
So wait, were we supposed to leave our left hand on blue?
Yes.
Yeah,
Right hand yellow.
right hand yellow and the left hand was supposed to be blue.
Okay.
I think, if I'm keeping track right. We'll see.
Because you did skip it, I guess.
Right foot yellow. Right hand green.
Realize this makes this game a lot harder because I'm in platforms.
That's true.
That was your choice.
But no toes for free.
Right foot green.
Are you not wearing socks?
Right foot green.
Right foot green.
I don't have to answer that.
Okay. Noted.
Left foot green. That's a lot of green spots used. It'd be a real shame if it was left hand green. Oh no, left hand green.
I'm fine with this.
I'm doing just fine in these two corners.
Right hand yellow.
I don't know what my left is, my right.
Left foot red. And that's right hand red.
Oh, Christ.
This is a game of strategy.
It is.
You're making it much difficult for
My
yourself.
strategy.
I
is
am,
go
but I'm
towards
trying to
left
make
and
it
knock 'em over.
interesting.
Left foot red. It's already there.
Yep.
Yes.
My hamstrings are pulling.
Right foot yellow.
Oh,
Right.
Take it back now, y'all.
Please move my left hand.
Right foot red.
Oh.
Is that not where it is? Oh, no, it's not.
Left foot red? It's not there?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's there.
Dang.
Our left hand should still
Left
be on
hand is
green,
still
right?
on green.
Then I'm out. Wait.
Put your left hand
I
on green.
forgot about my left hand.
Just copy what he's doing. Earl.
Oh my god. No, I can't get in that position.
If you fall here, then it's over.
What if we just pretend to fall?
I think you could.
Yeah, I can't get in that position. Yeah,
You
no.
forfeit.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
forfeiting.
That's it. Alright, well that was an interesting challenge.
That was.
Last season we didn't have anything like that, so that was something. What'd you guys think of that?
I had a good time,
I had fun. It was some very interesting
but
positions.
there was some interestingness right there, and yes, that pun was intended.
Yeah. What did you think?
I forgot how bad I was at Twister.
That's fair. It's not an easy game. Well, I'm Phillip Patches. Thank you for watching this episode of ECTV Tries. We will see you next week.
And I'm Lynsey Goodnow, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for watching.